Music. Welcome to a review of Daylio, the mental health app. Find links below. Daylio is a micro-journaling and mood tracker designed to help you understand your mental well-being. Its simple design makes tracking your moods easy and insightful, without the pressure of traditional journaling. Daylio's core feature is daily mood tracking using icons, which you can link to activities like exercise, work, or relaxation. Over time, this data creates visual charts, revealing trends and highlighting positive and negative influences on your mental health. Personalize Daylio with custom activity categories and mood labels to match your lifestyle. Reminders encourage consistent tracking for accurate insights. Daylio's analytics offer detailed monthly and yearly summaries, revealing how your mood fluctuates. This data can be invaluable for discussions with healthcare providers. For goals, Daylio lets you track habits like mindfulness, exercise, or sleep. This promotes accountability and positive change. Daylio is free, with premium upgrades unlocking features like unlimited tracking and exportable data. It's a user-friendly tool for anyone seeking to understand and improve their mental health. Check out the links in the description to start using Daylio today.